How to reduce cholesterol. Step-by-step instructions to bring down bad cholesterol. For the vast majority of us, there's actually no compelling reason to load our medication cupboards with pills to lessen cholesterol levels. Regular, way-of-life-based systems have demonstrated uncommonly compelling in lessening cholesterol rapidly and forever. Did you realize that for each 10% drop in your cholesterol level, your coronary episode hazard drops by 20% to 30%? There's all the more uplifting news. Most of us can diminish cholesterol rapidly, and without the requirement for prescriptions. Straightforward way of life methodologies can be exceptionally amazing. Inside 3 weeks, individuals had the option to below cholesterol levels on normal 23%, which makes an interpretation of into a 46% to 69% drop in cardiovascular failure risk. 1. Step-by-step instructions to reduce cholesterol quickly. The 5 key way of life change strategies examined more meticulously beneath are instructed by the doctors, enlisted dietitians, practice physiologists, and other staff at the Pritikin Longevity Center in Miami for a quick, huge bringing down of cholesterol levels, especially LDL terrible cholesterol. 0 in on natural products, vegetables, entire grains and beans. We don't need to become total veggie lovers to get our cholesterol levels into sound reaches. Contemplates on the Pritikin program have found it plainly the more vegetables, organic products, potatoes, and other normally fiber-rich plant food varieties we eat, the better we'll be. Be aware of fat admission. Find out with regards to the fats you want to keep away from and the great fats you should restrict. Eat more plant wellsprings of protein. Find out with regards to amazing plant proteins that, rather than raising blood cholesterol levels, as creature wellsprings of protein do, really assist with bringing down cholesterol. Eat less refined grains, like white flour. In this part, you'll realize the reason why entire grains are a superior decision to refined grains. You'll likewise be acquainted with a totally different universe of flavors with entire grains, like entire wheat couscous, polenta, cornmeal, quinoa, wild rice, and cashew. Get rolling. Find out with regards to a basic and pragmatic arrangement that is not difficult to mesh into day-to-day existence. In case you're not kidding about bringing down your cholesterol and taking great consideration of your heart, these 5 strategies are an extraordinary spot to begin. They'll likewise assist you with shedding abundance weight, which will likewise further develop heart well-being. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check my channel. I have more like this video. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching.